Welcome to 1614 East Waverly in Arlington Heights, Illinois. The homeowners were motivated to renovate their colonial home due to woodpecker issues, deteriorating cedar siding, and outdated colors. At Siding and Windows Group, we have an outstanding team of people who all work very hard to ensure that our clients receive quality service. Our design consultants take their time to create the perfect renderings for their client's desired renovation, and they use 3D modeling software to show them exactly how their home will look after all the renovations are completed. Furthermore, our construction crew does an excellent job of bringing these designs to life as they are masters of their trade and patiently develop stunning results. For this project, we used James Hardie siding in the color Cobblestone, a wood beaded ceiling, and replaced the old windows with Marvin Essential windows in the color Bronze. Our mission at Siding and Windows Group is to provide complete customer satisfaction, and that is exactly what these clients got. They now have a flawlessly renovated home, and our services and prices validated their decision to work with us. For more information on how Siding and Windows Group can transform your home, please contact us to schedule your design consultation today.